Would you survive? Episode 2. The night they came. You've prepared for this moment. You saw the warning signs before anyone else. But no matter how much you planned, nothing could prepare you for what happens when they come for you. Tonight, survival isn't about what you have. It's about what you're willing to do. Because when the world collapses, the greatest threat isn't hunger, thirst, or the elements. It's other people. You did everything right. You stocked up early. You stayed inside. You didn't tell anyone what you had. But none of that matters now, because tonight, they're coming. It started small. A distant scream, a single gunshot. A few days ago, it was chaos in the streets, people raiding stores, setting fires, fighting for whatever was left. But now it's quiet. The kind of quiet that tells you the worst is still ahead. You check the time. 1:37 a.m. You haven't slept. You don't sleep much anymore. Instead, you listen. Every creak of the building, every gust of wind against the window, and then you hear it. Footsteps, slow, cautious. Not running, not panicked. And these aren't desperate looters. These are people who know exactly what they're doing. Your pulse quickens. You reach for the baseball bat by the door. The gun is loaded, tucked under the couch. But you don't grab it yet, not unless you have to. Because once you use it, everything changes. Every survivor within earshot will know you have something worth taking. The footsteps stop, right outside your apartment. You step back, moving slowly, pressing yourself against the wall. They're testing the door. First, a soft knock, then silence. Then, the handle rattles. Your breath catches in your throat. You've reinforced the door with a heavy dresser. You've stacked furniture in front of the windows. But will it hold? You grip the bat tighter. The door handle stops moving, but they're still there, listening, waiting. And then a whisper, too faint to make out the words, but just close enough to send chills down your spine. There's more than one. You shift your weight, pressing harder against the wall, willing yourself to disappear. Your mind is racing. Do they know you're in here? Did they see movement through the blinds? Or are they just checking every door, hoping for an easy target? A long, painful silence. You wait. You barely breathe. And then a loud bang. Someone just threw their shoulder into the door. Once, then twice. They're testing your defenses, seeing if you'll panic, seeing if you'll run, but you don't. Because the second you make a noise, the second you give them a reason, they'll come harder, and you don't know how many there are. Another pause, then footsteps, moving away, fading into the hallway, but not gone, just waiting. They'll be back, maybe not tonight, maybe not tomorrow, but one night when you least expect it, when exhaustion makes your guard slip for even a second, they will come. And when that happens, you better be ready. Would you survive? Subscribe for more survival scenarios like this, because one day this might not be a story. It might be your reality. I'm working toward my first 100 subscribers here on Rumble. If you love survival content, hit that follow button so you don't miss the next episode.